Now we can do example 721. The volume of a solid hemisphere is 29,106 centimeter cube. Another hemisphere whose volume is two-thirds of the above is carved out. Find the radius of the new hemisphere. Okay, first of all, the volume of one hemisphere is given, but second one is carved out from the first. So second one is small hemisphere. Also they given it is two-thirds of the first only. So surely the second one is smaller than the first one. Okay, so we can separate like this way, big hemisphere, small hemisphere. But the formula, volume formula is same for both. We can mention this way, small hemisphere and big hemisphere. Okay, so write first, given volume of big hemisphere equal to 29,106 centimeter cube. Okay, also given information, also given volume of small hemisphere is two-thirds, that means 2 by 3 of means multiplication, volume of big hemisphere. So which is equal to 2 by 3 into what is the volume of big hemisphere? 29,106. If you can cancel, you cancel it and simplify the value using 3 table. 1 3 is 3, 9 3s are 27, remainder 2, 21, 7 3s are 21, 0, 2 3s are 6. Okay, so you get 2 into 9,702. But when you multiply, 2 2s are 4, 0, 7 2s are 14, remainder 1, 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19. So 19,404 centimeter cube is the volume of small hemisphere. Okay, now we need to find the radius of the new hemisphere. To find this, you consider as equation number 1. We will use that since the small hemisphere radius we need to find out. So this volume we will use it to use, okay, to find the radius of small hemisphere. It is the new. Okay, let R be the radius. We have volume of the hemisphere here. We can write radius of the hemisphere, that is also small hemisphere. Is equal to 2 by 3 hemisphere, no, 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, for sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube, for hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is the second equation. So volume of small hemisphere, this value we can compare with this formula. Okay, which implies 2 by 3 pi r cube. Why? The r is the radius of the small hemisphere. So we are relating this formula with this value, which is equal to 19,404 by 1 and 2. Okay, now if you can cancel, you cancel it. Here you can apply the pi value also. So 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube is equal to 19,404. We can try to cancel using 2, since it is an even number, it's sure. 9 twos are 18, 7 twos are 14, 0, 2 twos are 4. Again using the 2 table, 11 twos are 22, 4 twos are 8, 17, 8 twos are 16, so 10, 5 twos are 10, 1. Then can you cancel using the 11 table, 44, remaining 4, 45, this, yeah, you can use cancel using the 11 table again. Okay, so 4 11s are 44, remainder 4, it is 45, again 4 11s are 44, remainder 1, so 11, 1. Okay, now we get what is in the left side, r cube divided by 3 into 7 is equal to 441. Okay, now you can take this only r cube in the left, the remaining you transpose, so it will change it as 441 into 3 into 7. Okay, you try to change this value in the triplex form, triplet form, not a triplex, triplet form. Okay, so we can factorize this 441. So we will get this, actually this 441 is 21 square, here 3 into 7 is 21, you will get 21 cube. Okay, somebody don't know about this 441, so late on the factorization. Now we get 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 3 into 7. Okay, so we can take the triplets with this. Okay, so 3 into 3 into 3, it is 3 cube, into 7 into 7 into 7 is 7 cube. Okay, so r cube is equal to this 3 cube into 7 cube. So what about the r value? It is 3 into 7, that is 21. Okay, which implies r is equal to 3 into 7, that is equal to 21. The unit is centimeter. So we can write the answer, radius of the new hemisphere is 21 centimeter. Are you all clear?